Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel today. I want to share with you a Walmart haul, and the entire family went. Jason went with me. We had a list to get some things. We still need probably some more things for the house, but we mainly needed like toilet paper and soap and so forth. So let's get started with this. I think I'll do a meal plan with this because I don't know how soon I'll go back to the store after this. So we picked up this big thing of great value toilet paper. I like this one because it's compared to Scott's. I don't remember the prices, guys. And then the red potatoes, I have been liking making these either in a pan, sauteing them with some EVOO, or either some, I can't think of the name of the butter right now. Some of that butter, the good butter, and then Kerrygold, and then either putting it in the oven with some EVOO, season it with some garlic powder, the Bada complete seasoning, and some onion powder, stuff like that. I also got some 2% milk, some thick and chunky salsa, the hot flavor, and then Jason saw this really large thing of Concord grape jelly. I think it was like 2 something actually for this, or 3 something, so not a whole lot. I picked up some eco style styling gel. This is the argan oil. This does not flake up or anything, and I ended up getting the big thing because I needed some more. And then also JJ, he's growing his hair out, so his hair curls up with the gel, so I picked this up. This is the first time I tried. They have different ones, this particular one, but I needed some more. It was $3 and something. Also some cranberry, the diet cranberry, so I wanted to get this. And then I picked up some of the sparkling ice. I think I have another one somewhere else, maybe, or maybe I only got 4. So I don't think I tried the kiwi strawberry before. And then I also picked up the classic lemonade, and peach nectar is my favorite. So I picked up those. Then I needed some distilled water. I have 2 jugs of those. And then some shrimp, some cooked shrimp, some medium shrimp. And I probably just sauteed this in the pan. Nothing too special with this to cook this up. We actually was going to come home and have tacos tonight, but we went to Walmart and it took a little bit longer. It was after the gym and everybody was hungry. So we ended up making 1 trip to Chick-fil-A and 1 trip to McDonald's. So that's why I have the shredded iceberg lettuce, because I could just chop my own up, but I was trying to cut corners and make dinner really fast. Okay, I also picked up some taco seasoning mix, 2 packs of this. It's like 44 cents. And I've been loving the diet cherry, the festy cherry, so I'm glad I'm liking this. It's like $3.50 because at least it's diet. I know they say you're not supposed to drink diet, but at least it's better than my regular Dr. Pepper or Cherry Coke. Then Jason wanted some plums, so he got him some plums. And then I've been killing the grapes lately, and JJ has been too. I believe he's the other person that's been eating them. I have had these before several times. These are just like some boneless beef ribeye steaks that are in the box. I actually probably should have got 2. They're not as expensive as the fresh ones are, but they are like $9.88. They are $9.88. So I only got 1 box again because that should be enough for all of us, but if Trail's home we will have to get 2. And then Jason picked up some of these. This is a different brand. He normally gets like Flanders or sometimes the Walmart brand beef patties, but he has these, and usually what he does is he put them on a broiler pan if he's doing like low carb or something like that, and then he'll just eat them like that. But usually I don't eat these. They'll eat them. I wanted these SoundMate Bluetooth headphones. They look like a dupe of the, what are called, the AirPods by Apple, and I just get so tired of my cord always in the way and stuff. These are $29. So I wanted to pick these up. I actually was going to get these for JJ's birthday, but he ended up Jason picked him up a different brand, which was around $49, and they sound so good. So on Walmart.com, these are only like 2 stars, but The cashier was really nice. The guy that worked in the electronics department, he said he looked it up for me, and he said people was mainly complaining about how they weren't the real thing, but they weren't complaining about the sound of them. So hopefully I'm gonna keep my receipt. He said I had like 15 days because of this type of electronic to take it back to see if I like it or not. So I'm gonna open them up tonight to see if I like them. But yeah, I'm just tired of the cord. Cottrell has some AirPods and he absolutely loves them, but he bought them with his own money. But I just can't, I can't drop that much money for some headphones. But I love for the quality to be really good. I picked up a bag of the 3-pound chicken tenderloins. I like the tenderloins better because they're smaller. And then some light sour cream. I think these are like $6. I don't know if this is more than it is at Aldi, because Aldi is like $4.99. I also picked up some Bluebell ice cream, homemade. This Bluebell is so good. I did get the Walmart brand the other day, and compared to this, that stuff tastes so plain. So plain. So this is like a perfect size if you want something and then don't go back for any more. So these are really good. Jason picked these up, but again, everybody was hungry when they went in there. I did taste a little bit of this. This tastes really good. The Snickerdoodle cookies, and I don't see the price on them, y'all. Yeah. Josiah talked Jason into getting these, the birthday cake, Little Debbie's, and then I was looking for some granola bars in the pantry for a snack, and we didn't have any, so I was like, oh, I'm gonna pick some up. Cashew is my favorite from Walmart or from wherever. And then I also picked up, I was watching Naya Brown. She is my high school and middle school classmate, and her family, I like watching her vlogs. Hey Naya. So I don't comment a lot, Naya, which I need to go back because I'm usually watching TV so I can't comment. So check her channel out, guys. I'll put it down in the description box. And she does a lot of vlogs and stuff like that. But she inspired me to maybe try vlogging a little bit more. But anyway, they were having a taco night, and one thing I do love about Naya's family is that they don't eat any meat. So that's gonna take me hard to do. So that's gonna be really hard for me to do. But anyway, they picked up these bold spicy cheddar and flavored taco shells, and then these here, the nacho cheese flavored as well. I know when Jason and I went to Taco Bell the other day, we tried one of these. One of their shells they have like this, probably this one, because Jason don't like hot stuff, and it was really good. So pick those up. I remember when I didn't even like stuff, the hard shell. Then I picked up some ground turkey. Jason wanted some shredded hash browns. I don't know why. And he picked up 2. I guess, I don't know. He just wanted some. He picked up 2 of those. And then he wanted this huge thing of Peter Pan creamy peanut butter. I think this was, how much was this, Jason? $11? $11.88. But it's worth it. It comes with this little top. It's worth it because they go through peanut butter like crazy. We needed some Coast, so that was the main reason why we went in there. We also needed some Scrub and Bubbles. Let's see. We needed some more of the Glade, so I have to keep this downstairs. This is, oh no, I didn't mean to get this one. I picked it up too fast. I meant to get the new scent. Yeah, I was trying to get the other scent, but I can't remember what it is. I thought it was, the spray was right on the counter to show you guys. It was something Amber Woods and Oud or something like that, but this one have to do. Jason needed some pens, and then this is one of my favorite brushes, and I was surprised Walmart still had it, so it must be a good seller. I love it because this side can you know, if your hair is wet, well, sometimes if it's wet, but if it's like really thick, or if you need to brush out your wig or something, I love this side. And then I love the other side to brush your hair back in a ponytail or whatever you need to do. So this is only like, I think 4 or 3 something. I cannot find my other one, but I had it for a really long time, like over probably like 3 years. Another thing I had for a long time was this pack here from Walmart, the Sleek, and I needed a new one. Trail stole stuff. I should say stole. Trail took like my brushes and my combs. Some of my combs and stuff were broken, so I needed a new one. And then this one for like relaxer was just like all brittle and stuff. So this is like $3 if you round it off. $2.47. Okay, some plums here. Jason wanted some plums. And then here are some styling combs for JJ. Some picks. He's growing his hair out, so we picked up 3 of these, but I'm gonna hold on to it because they'll get missing. The brushes and stuff get missing in y'all house. I know back in the day, it seemed like they would get missing into the seat cushions of the chair, but how they make the sofas now, it's hard to get them hidden in the chairs. So I don't know where they disappear to. Okay, this is one of Jason's favorite items. He tried them once and they're really hard to find. Really hard to find, but we did find them today. We thought we had to order them off of Amazon or something, but these are like portable little toothbrushes, and like his teeth has been bothering him. He has to get some work done, and so these, I think they're like $4 and something. They're kind of pricey, so he went ahead and got 2 anyway because they're really hard to find. I think other people like, I done said it like 4 times, people really like these because it was like only 2 left. Okay, he also needed some of this. This is compared to a leaf, and he was running out of some of those. And then I wanted some mixed fruit, some pears, and I wanted some pineapples and some apples. I think these are Golden Delicious. These are, yeah, these are Jason's favorite, the Golden Delicious. Then I also picked up the Dove Cool Moisture, and Jason wanted some Lux fried apples with cinnamon. I don't think I ever had those before. And then some Honey Nut Cheerios, and I think that's it, guys, that I can remember. Yeah, that's all I can remember. And then Jason's huge thing of Red Bull that he likes, or he doesn't like, but he picks it up every blue moon. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye bye.